Ravichandran Ashwin has announced his decision to retire from all formats of cricket with immediate effect following the draw in the third test against Australia in Brisbane on Wednesday, December 18. At the time of retirement, the 38-year-old is 5th and 3rd on the ICC Test rankings for bowlers and all-rounders respectively. Ashwin's count of 37 5-wicket hauls in tests, including one on debut, is joint second best alongside Shane Warne, and only behind Muthaiya Muralitharan's tally of 67. At the time of his retirement, Ashwin holds the record for dismissing most left-handers in Test cricket, 268. A handy batter lower down the order, he has also scored 3,503 runs in Test cricket, including 6 centuries and 14 50s. He holds the Indian record for most instances, 4, of a century and a fiffer in the same Test, only behind Ian Botham, 5. Ashwin, who debuted for India in the longest format in 2011 against West Indies, is one of only 3 Test all-rounders in the game to finish with more than 3,000 Test runs and 500 wickets. He won the Man of the Series award 11 times, joint highest alongside Muralitharan, with India winning on each occasion. A member of the 2011 ODI World Cup and 2013 Champions Trophy winning Indian team, Ashwin also played 116 one-days for India, claiming 156 wickets at an economy of 4.93 and average 33.20. He also made 707 runs in the format. He was also capped 65 times in T20s and claimed 72 wickets in the shortest format. Ashwin was awarded the prestigious Arjuna Award by the Indian government in 2015, and following a successful 2015-16 year, he was adjudged the ICC Men's Cricketer of the Year award as well as the Men's Test Cricketer of the Year award in 2016. He was also named in the ICC Test Team of the Decade 2011-20. Bought for 9.75 crore Indian rupees at the IPL 2025 mega auction, Ashwin is set to return to CSK in the coming season. He is also likely to continue playing in the Tamil Nadu Premier League (TNPL) and other club-level cricket. The second highest wicket-taker for India in tests, behind Anil Kumble, Ashwin has called time on a 14-year career during which he played 106 tests, the last of which was the day-night game in Adelaide earlier in the ongoing Border Gavaskar Trophy. The fastest bowler to 250, 300 and 350 test scalps, Ashwin finishes with an overall tally of 537 that puts him 7th on the all-time list of highest wicket-takers in Test history. Senior India off-spinner R. Ashwin announces retirement from international cricket. He was very sure of his decision. "We should stand by what he wants," Indian captain Rohit Sharma on Ashwin's retirement said. A name synonymous with mastery, wizardry, brilliance, and innovation. The great off-spinner confirmed his retirement decision during the post-match press conference after the conclusion of the IND vs Oz third Test 2024 at the Gabba in Brisbane. Hailing from Chennai, Ravi Ashwin played 106 tests, 116 ODIs, and 65 T20s for the Indian cricket team. The 98-year-old picked up 537, 156, and 72 wickets in all 3 formats. The off-spinner is also the second highest wicket-taker for his country in international cricket after legendary Anil Kumble. As Ashwin announced his retirement,